The next thing we have to do is create area transitions so we can get from the Fern Village area into the mine and vice versa. And to do that, we're going to modify the properties of both of the doors. When we placed a cave exit in the mines area and we placed the cave entrance in the Fern area, those are actually doors that we created. And so that's where we'll change that. I'm starting in the mine area, and down here is the where the entrance is located, and here it is. I can find that in my list over here. Click on doors. It's called cave exit or something similar. Right click on that, choose properties. And the tag is important. We're going to use the suggested naming conventions to name the tags. And tags are what we're going to refer to it as we set up the area transition, and also whenever there's scripting involved, when we have to write actual code to control like things happening in the plot, we're going to refer to items by their tags. So tags are important. We're going to call this lowercase dt for door tag, underscore, and then we're going to name it what it does. And this door goes from the mine to Fern. So we're going to name it mine to, try to use capital letters on the beginnings of words, Fern. And that's the convention. Whatever the object type is, when you set up its tag, you'll name it the object type tag. So door tag would be DT, character tag would be CT, and so on. Okay, that's all you can do right now, because what we're going to do is go to the area transition and set up the destination tag, but we haven't renamed the other door yet, so we can't do that yet. Well, sure we can. We can set it up, and it won't work yet, but we'll type in what we're going to rename the cave entrance back out in the Fern area. So the destination tag is, where does the player come out? When they go in through this cave door that is inside the mine, where do they come out? Well, they should come out by the cave entrance back out in Fern. So we're going to say the destination tag is DT Fern to mine. And that's just another way of saying when you go out of the mine, we want you to end up in Fern. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and now we're going to jump out to the other area, back out in Fern. I can right click on the cave entrance, choose focus on object. That will cause an area change, and we'll save it first. And here we are back out in our village. Here's the cave entrance right there, and that's this thing right there. So rename this. You'll find it under the word doors. I don't know if it has the exact same name as mine or not, but go to properties. And step one is to rename the tag DT Fern to mine. And then go to the area transition, click door, and the destination is going to be the tag of the other door, which is inside the mine, and that's DT underscore mine to Fern. We'll click OK, and that should do it. That should allow you to transition between the two areas. Go ahead and start up your game and test it out, and see if you can move into the mine and back out to the Fern through that entrance.